Hi, this is Raymond. I just want to do a recap for today. So this morning I did 4 trades and all of them were on Twitter. So Twitter was strong in the pre-market. So when I saw it, it drops down to the 20 moving average. And it started bouncing back. I got in at 31.37. And I took some profit on the way up at 31.55, and I bring my stop loss to break even. So that's why when it dropped, I got all out at 31.38, and then I saw that the stock start coming back up, so it looks like it's trying to break the high of the day. So I got in again at 31.61, but then it suddenly dropped, so I got stopped out at 31.43. My third trade, it happens when I saw it start trying to break high of day again. So I went in at 31.36. And the reason I went in is because I saw this seems like a ABCD pattern. So I went in here, and I took some profit at 31.87, and I got some out at 32.07, and then the stock, and then it's just start dropping again. So I got it all out at 31.57. My last trade, which is the best trade, I think, is I saw this Twitter drop down to the View app, and it's a pullback from it. So I went long at 31.48. and I put my stop loss at 31.20. So it just, after that, it got a hit, it went up, and then I stopped scaling out, so I got some out at 31.88, and then it just kept going higher and higher. I got more out at 32.49, and just keep going higher and higher. And I got at the highest point I got most of it out at 33.59, and the last piece at 33.15 when I saw it start dropping again. So that's it for today. If you have any feedback, please let me know.